Giovanni here with Hardscape.com. We are at another project where our inch and grade 3cm 12 by 24 and 24 by 24 porcelain pavers are being used. This is a beautiful project. You're talking about maybe 6,000 to 7,000 square feet of porcelain pavers. Dry lay install over sand with polymeric sand in the joints, 1/8 of an inch joints. This is our 12 by 12 inch and grade 3cm. Beautifully done. They chose a natural stone as a border to outline the driveway. Installers are still working on. It's a beautiful job. This is what's possible with Hardscapes.com 3cm porcelain pavers. I mean, this look is just amazing. Beautiful driveway. You can go to www.hardscape.com for more information about our products. Again, this is our inch and grade 3cm porcelain paver, tri-lay.